Hi guys, today I wanted to share two super quick and easy sort of 90s inspired hairstyles. I'm not super coordinated with my hands and my eyes, so if you're lazy but you want to look cute, these are perfect for you. The only two things you need are a hairbrush to get your hair straight and not nasty. Wavy works, kind of. And then a headband and a little crab clipper. This is from like Target, it's like $2, go get one. And this is Lululemon. If you don't have one, that's not my problem. I think another headband would work, I think. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. Okay. So for this first look, basically all you need to do is get a grip on your baby hairs on the front of your head and pull your hair into a low ponytail like Gaston. Get it out of your earrings, you know, be neat, don't be disgusting. So yeah, do the Gaston ponytail. Super easy, super cheap, super fun, super fresh. And then I'm gonna turn around to make this easy. Kind of hold your ponytail in one hand and twist it around like you're going to do a bun. Twist, 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 but try to keep it like straight. Don't let it coil up too much like a bun. Twist, 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 twist. Then you get a little crab claw clipper and kind of place it like in the middle. Just feel it out and let it dig not only underneath this, but let it, you know, attach to the rest of the hair on your big head. And there's a little flappy thing. I normally just leave it out because I think it looks best, but you can tuck it back under the clip if you're feeling fresh, feeling good. So yeah, this is the finished look. It's pretty simple. Took literally 2 seconds. So if you're a lazy student like me, you have no excuse for looking like a hobo. I used to do little I used to twist my hair on the top of my head into a bun and then like put a scrunchie on it, but it would just like bow out and it looked like my head had like a ball around it. So yeah, try this, let me know how it goes, and let's get on to the second one. So if you don't have a little crab clipper and you're a peasant, that's not my problem, but most people have little thin headbands laying around. I tried to use the thick ones, but they like cover my forehead in a very strange way, and it's just not a vibe. This is much more fierce, much more fresh, much more fun. So again, take your little pieces out, tuck the rest behind your ear. Tuck the rest behind your ear. Oh, and mind you, if your hair is not clean and smooth and silky, figure that out before you start this tutorial. So yeah, it's almost like you're making a ponytail again. Take your little headband, make sure you flex the Lululemon. Come on. Flex the Lululemon on the front. Pull it over your chin. Take your hair out. Bring your ponytail over. And then, give it a little shimmy. And place it on top of your head at a 180-degree angle. Oh my god. Look at my earring. It's caught. Oh god. Oh god. Oh dad. Help. Okay, so make it nice and straight and fresh. And check it out. So I have a very big piece out right now. I'd say it works as well with a smaller piece, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo it and let you guys see what that looks like. So again, step 2, pull it over your big head. Ponytail, ponytail. Grab the tiniest little pieces, like baby hairs, true baby hairs. Tuck, tuck. Do the Gaston. Oh my god, why you can use a headband? I'm forgetting. Sorry, this tutorial is terrible. Do a little loop-de-loop. Just pull it over your big head. Don't rip your ear off. It's really simple. I think you guys can handle this. It's not rocket science. I'm in community college. I'm untooling this off. And then you tuck the headband behind your ears. If you have it over your ear, that looks weird, pathetic. Don't do that. So yeah, this is the finished look. Say solid 10 out of 10. If you hate this hairstyle, then I dare you to send me a better one. I dare you to leave me a nasty comment. I'll fight you. If you love it, good. But you should learn to do better hairstyle. So yeah, this is my masterpiece. It literally took 3 minutes. Everyone has 3 minutes. So yeah, give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Hope this inspired you and will make you look like less of a hobo. Bye.